Quesadilla. I'm here with my little brother, Andrew.
And I'm here with my older brother, Joshua.
And this is Candid Quesadilla.
This is a channel where we make different quesadillas every video and see if the ingredients can or can't quesadilla.
Today what we have is a mustard, mozzarella, banana quesadilla. Ew. That is right, Andrew. Very ill. This quesadilla was suggested by our grandmama and Grandpa Scott. Thanks, Grandmama and Grandpa Scott. So today we have Heinz yellow mustard. We've actually been to the Heinz factory. Going back to a couple videos ago, we said we went to Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh. We saw the Hershey factory, and we also saw the Heinz factory. We did not go to it, but we drove by it a couple times. And we also have mozzarella cheese. It's not the regular cheese we use. We usually use like Fiesta blend, I think it is. So this is also different. We used it again a couple videos ago. And then we got banana chiquila. Okay, that was weird. Now we're gonna get to cooking.
So first we're gonna preheat the skillet. And here's a secret not a lot of people know. So to make the quesadilla more crispy and better tasting is to add butter. And I really hope this does not fall off. That was close.
Like one of those strategy games. Alright, well, before that slides down the pan, we're gonna grab it with the quesadilla, or the tortilla, and we're gonna spread it around so that we can get the tortilla and the pan real buttery, and we're gonna spin it a little bit just so that we can get the butter all over the quesadilla, or the tortilla, so that it can get more crispy and tasty, like Andrew said. A family secret.
Open the cheese before I say anything. Okay, I'm not gonna add too much cheese as I was in the past videos. I guess only a handful this time. Just a little bit more.
That's good.
Yeah, okay,
That's too much.
a good
usually.
one.
Okay, now we're gonna grab the banana. We're gonna only put maybe 3/4 of it on there. Maybe all of it, I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll spread it around a little bit. It sounds so gross. Kind of broke a couple, like mushed them up a little bit. Who cares?
And then we'll put the rest.
Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, Andrew, now you put the mustard
Okay,
on.
now we're gonna put the disgusting part of the quesadilla, the mustard. Okay, I'm just gonna go on the other side.
Make sure you spread it around so that it's not just in one spot.
Okay, I think
Whoa, yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna spread it around just to make sure it's not just like straight up in the middle.
This is, you know what? That's a bad idea.
It's like a cheese problem. You're scaring me, Andrew, with all this sauce.
I mean, maybe it's possible it'll be good.
There's literally no way. I swear, in this whole world, if this works, I'm gonna like flip out. Grandmama, I love you, but you are so mean for suggesting this. Alright, I think that's good. Now, we're gonna fold this in half. Let's hope, like always, it doesn't fail, and then ooh, perfect. Okay, bring it to the middle. Okay, bring it to the middle. This is gonna be disgusting. Disgusting. I hope it's good. Now we're white. During this quarantine, I've stared at so many quesadillas for so many minutes and started to realize that when the smoke comes out, it means that it's pretty much done cooking. It's perfectly crispy. Now I'm gonna check. It's not smoking. Oh wow, I guess I'm wrong. Theory missaid. Plate, please.
Oh, plate. No, you gotta flip it.
Oh.
What kind of flip was that?
It was a good flip. Sounds good, but that must be the gross mustard, Grandmama.
It's bubbling on the bottom, so I think I'm gonna check it right now. Oh, wait, nope.
No.
So it sounds like it's cooking a lot, so I don't think leaving it was a good idea, so I think we should put it on a plate. Ow!
Time to review. Hey guys, now we're here with the review with our dad. So he's gonna cut this disgusting mustard banana quesadilla. So
Mustard and banana, huh? Who suggested this?
Grandmama. Thanks.
Hey Joshua, I think I'm gonna eat this so fast. I guess you could say you can kiss it goodbyes.
Okay, well, I'm definitely not taking this big piece. Who put the mustard on? Who put the you?
Yep.
Oh, good luck. Good luck there, bud.
Oh no.
This smells. Okay. I have to go on an adult rant. I've been given so many opportunities in life because of my mother-in-law. She's helped in so many ways. But in this way, you've done nothing but bad.
It's hot.
It's so hot, and it smells
It
just
smells so
awful.
bad.
This smells like
It's
it is
so
the worst
bad.
thing in the world. Bananas and mustard. Oh my god, it
It's
smells
like
terrible.
one side I could smell the mustard, one side I could smell the bananas. This is not.
Well, someone's got to try it, right? So we're gonna dig in. This is gonna be hot.
Ooh, mustard covered banana.
I'll give you $0 to eat that.
Okay.
So Josh, let's try it. All right, we need to dig in. These things are super hot, but
I only. Ew.
yeah,
Oh no.
I'm not looking forward. All right, you go first.
Well, here goes my life.
It's hot.
Okay, we'll wait. We'll wait a second. Let's wait. It is so hot. All right, we'll wait. Nope. Nope. That's not good.
It can.
No! Really?
It can't.
Oh, no. This is the worst thing I've ever had.
I don't know.
This cannot quesadilla. What do you think?
I don't know.
You have to come up with a solution.
It's gotta be can't. This isn't good.
It can't.
The
We got one can and two. We got one
I
can.
can explain his reasonings. I bet this happened to me with the egg and peanut butter. The only reason I said yes was because of I could only taste the peanut butter. Are you only able to? You should take another bite.
No, I'll take. It's hot.
Why don't you take a bite right there?
Yeah,
where all
just
that
take.
mustard's
Yeah. Let's see you change your mind. It's all over your cheek.
at. He likes it. He likes it. Well, Grandma,
You're gross.
you nailed it. I wonder if she eats mustard and bananas together. If so, that's a secret. Don't share with anyone. Okay, so we got one can and two cans. Okay, so that's it, right? One can and two cans. All right.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Comment some suggestions down below. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time on Can It Quesadilla. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.